Stop assuming a miracle has to look like the sky splitting open, or thunder, or something so obvious you'd never miss it. Sometimes a miracle walks in quietly, disguised as an ordinary Tuesday, and you almost don't recognize it because you were expecting fireworks. Yours might already be here. Let's look closer. When Hazrat Maryam Alaihis Salam gave birth alone under a palm tree, exhausted and afraid, Allah didn't send a crowd or a spectacle. He told her to shake the tree, and dates fell a small, quiet provision in the middle of what felt like her hardest moment. Allah says in the Quran, "And shake toward you the trunk of the palm tree. It will drop upon you ripe, fresh dates." That's what most miracles actually look like: small, practical, easy to miss, if you're only watching for something loud. Maybe your miracle already happened and you filed it under normal because it didn't match the version you had pictured in your head. A conversation that shifted everything. A door that opened after you'd stopped knocking. A moment of unexpected peace after months of unrest. You called those coincidences. Some of them were your miracle, wearing an outfit you didn't recognize. Not every miracle arrives complete in a single moment. Some unfold slowly, piece by piece, and you only recognize the full shape of it looking backward.
In the stillness of the night,
if nothing has fully clicked into place yet, that doesn't mean the miracle isn't happening. It might mean you're standing in the middle of it, too close to see its whole outline yet. Before you decide no miracle has come, look back 6 months, a year further. Something shifted that you couldn't have engineered yourself. Name it, acknowledge it as what it actually was. That recognition is often the first step to noticing the next one, already forming right in front of you.
Your mercy endless like the tide.
Your miracle might already be here quietly, waiting for you to call it what it is. Comment, "I see it now," if something just came to mind. And if someone you know needs to hear this today, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.